Hare Krishna to all my devotees and our Gurudev Kumaro Shastan Dandavata Pranam. Hare Krishna. So today we should discuss regarding non-vegetarian and vegetarian foods. Generally people says what is wrong with eating non-vegetarian food? Is it sinful to human beings who has eaten chicken, meat, fish, egg, etc. non-vegetarian food? It is very sinful activities to the human beings who has eaten. Why? In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says in every living beings there is a spirit soul. So you are the living beings and the animals also having a living beings. That means even in the animals there is a soul. So you do not have right to kill the animals to eat the non-vegetarian food. Whenever you should kill the animals, they are crying, they are jumping, they are feeling very painful when you cut it and kill it, and they make it horrible sound. So it is very painful when you killing the animals to eat the non-vegetarian food. So you have to recognize yourself. If the living beings you are killing and eat the non-vegetarian food to taste our tongue and enjoy our body, it is very sinful. As you know, sign is always sign. पाप always ही पापी हो. हम सबको पता है कि द लॉ ऑफ नेचर में जो प्रकृति का नियम है, बट प्रकृति को जो गढ़ा जो बनाया है, दैट इज कॉल्ड गॉड्स लॉ. द लॉ ऑफ नेचर और द गॉड्स लॉ. व्हाट गॉड्स लॉ क्या है कि if you kill the animals, then you binds as the karma. So you are binds to the karma. When you taking the action against the animals, so you are binding to our karma as a sign, and you must will get the reaction. When you taking the action, then automatically the reaction will come to you. This is the prakriti ka law hai, that is called God law. But in scientifically, in scientists also prove that that is called Newton's third law. To every action there is a equal and opposite reaction. हम जैसा एक्शन करेंगे उसका ऑपोजिट रिएक्शन हमको आएगा ही आएगा. जैसा हम कर्म करेंगे, जैसा हम कर्म करेंगे, ऐसा ही हमको फल मिलेगा. सो either you are doing good कर्म or you are doing bad कर्म, definitely you will get result by the God within this life, but before you death you should get the reaction. जैसे कि हम ऐसे ही कहावत है कि जैसा अन्न ऐसा मन. हम जैसा अन्न खाएंगे हमारा मन ऐसा ही होगा. So Lord Krishna says that in Bhagavad Gita 14.4, aham bija pradaho pita. He says that who is the Supreme Personal Godhead? Krishna is the Supreme Personal of Godhead, So he's tell that she is the original father of all the living beings or the living creatures. So you do not have a right to kill anyone. If you do not have a right to give life to a living creature, so you do not have right to kill them. So I am requesting to everyone, every devotees and every colleagues, please try to avoid non-veg and go for the vegetarian foods. Vegetarian foods is very good for health, and you will get it all the protein, vitamin, calcium, etc. So all my dear colleagues and friends, please try to go for the vegetarian food. Also, some people should asking the question regarding the vegetarian and plant. The plant and vegetarian also they have a life. They have the living creatures. So is it not sinful to eat for food for human beings? Is it sinful? But there is some spiritual reason and significant behind it. So you will discuss on the next chapter. But vegetarian food is not sinful to the human beings. When you offer the vegetarian food to Krishna, after offering, when you eat the as a prasad, there is no sinful reaction the vegetarian foods. Hare Krishna to all my dear friend. Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Radhe. Pranam to everyone.